Hello, in this video we will talk about Maharashtra government has announced a new solar power initiative called the Solar Scheme 2025. Under this scheme, households using less than 100 electricity units per month will get extra subsidy to install rooftop solar system. Let's see how it works and who can get these benefits. The Swayambhurna Maharashtra Residential Rooftop Smart Solar Scheme aims to promote solar power and reduce electricity bills for common people. It supports domestic consumers, especially low-power users, by providing extra state subsidies along with central government's subsidies under the PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana. Subsidy details. Here, how much subsidy different categories will get. BPL consumers, extra 30%, 35% state subsidies. SC and ST consumers, extra 30% subsidies. Economically weaker consumers, extra 20% subsidies. So, for example, if a 1 kilowatt system costs 50,000, a BPL households will pay only 2,500 and the rest will be recovered by state and central subsidies together. Who can apply? This scheme is only for residential electricity consumers in Maharashtra who use less than 100 units of electricity per month, have a proper rooftop space for solar installation, have an active electricity connection, and have a valid ID and bank details for subsidy transfer. Documents required: Aadhaar card, latest electricity bill, bank passbook copy, proof of house ownership or rent agreement, mobile number linked with Aadhaar. Application will accepted through the Maharashtra Energy Development Agency. Maharja.com, maharja.maharashtra.gov.in. Currently, there is no official link. You can apply. Currently, you can only apply through government authorized center. When the link will be officially released, I will inform to you. When link is released, you can easily apply by these steps. Visit the official MEDA website. Go to Rooftop Solar section. Select your DISCOM like MSEDCL. Fill the application form and upload documents. Wait for verification and installation approval. After installation, your subsidy amount will be credited directly to your bank account. So if you are Maharashtra resident using less than 100 electricity units monthly, this is your chance to cut your power bill and switch to green energy. Apply soon through MERA's official website. For more genuine updates on government schemes, result and scholarship, subscribe to our channel.